Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss Class 4 Maths sample paper for periodic test 1. Time 80 minutes, marks 30. We have 3 sections: knowledge and understanding, total 10 marks; ability to compute, total 10 marks; problem solving ability 10 marks. So total 30 marks. Choose the correct answer. We have 6 questions, 1 mark each, total 6 marks. How many faces does a triangular prism have? See this figure? This is a triangular prism. How many faces are there? See, we can see 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. See, 1. Then on the other side we have one, bottom 1. So total how many faces? 5 faces. Next one, an angle that is less than a right angle is called. Options are obtuse angle, straight angle, acute angle, right angle. A right angle is an L-shaped angle. So an angle that is less than a right angle is called acute angle. See this angle, this is an acute angle. This is less than right angle. So answer acute angle. Next one, which view of the object is shown here? See this picture? Here options are front view, side view, top view, bottom view. Which is the correct answer? This is the front view. Circle the odd number. Options are 24, 36, 51, 68. A number is odd if it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So here odd number is 51. It ends in 1. Next one, find the missing number. 1500, 1600, 1700. Then next number is missing. Then after that 1900, 2000. So the missing number is 1800. What is the face value of 0 in 1051? What is face value? Face value of a digit is a digit itself, no matter where it is in the number. So here face value of 0 in 1051 is 0 itself. Next one, identify the 3D shape from the clues given below. This is a 2 marks question. See first one, it has one flat face. Answer, cone. See, a cone has only one flat face. See, cylinder, it has two flat faces. So it is cylinder. Then 4 flat faces. This is triangular pyramid. It has 4 flat faces. The next one, it has 12 straight edges. See this cube, how many edges are there? 12 edges. Top we have 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bottom 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then side 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 12 straight edges. So this is a cube. Match the views of the object with the correct picture. In column A, some views are given. We have front view, back view, top view, side view. And in column B, some pictures are given. We have to match the objects with the views. So front view. First one, front view. See, front view matches to 2. This monitor. Then back view, the school bus. Then top view matches to 4. This is the cap of a water bottle. Then side view, this chair. Next one, write the predecessor and successor of 1000. This is a 1 mark question. What do you mean by predecessor of a number? The predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. So, what is the predecessor of 1000? It is 999. It comes just before 1000. Predecessor is equal to number minus 1. Then what is successor of a number? Is a number that comes just after it. So successor of 1000 is 1001. Successor is equal to number plus 1. Then identify the angles in the following letters. See the first letter here, an angle is marked here. This angle is an acute angle. This is less than right angle. The next one, see the alphabet A here, one angle is marked. This angle is greater than a right angle, so it is an obtuse angle. Find the place value of the underlined digit in each number. This is a 1-mark question. First one, 4503. Here the underlined digit is 4. The place value is a value of the digit according to its place in the number. In 4503, 4 is in thousands place. So its place value is 4 into 1000, that is 4000. Next number 6798. Here the underlined digit is 9. 9 is in which position? Tens place. So place value of 9 is 9 into 10, that is 90. Next one, answer the following. This is 1-mark question. What shape of face is common to all the prisms? Common face in all prisms is rectangle. The side faces are rectangles. Then what shape of face is common to all the pyramids? Common face in all pyramids, triangle. Here the side faces are triangles. Next one, using the digits 3, 5, 0 and 2 only once each form the largest 4-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number. This is a 2-mark question. Here the digits given are 3, 5, 0, 2. Here repetition is not allowed. Then how do you find the largest 4-digit number? Arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Here the digits are 3502. So in descending order it is 5320. So largest number is 5320. The next one, smallest 4-digit number. A 4-digit number cannot start with 0. So write the smallest non-zero digit first. So here it is 2. We cannot write 0 in the first position because a 4-digit number cannot start with 0. So the smallest non-zero digit here is 2. Then arrange the remaining digits in ascending order. Remaining digits are 350. So in ascending order 0, 3, 5. So the smallest number is 2035. Next one, write the following numbers in correct columns. See, first column we have to write even numbers. In second column we have to write odd numbers. This is a 2-mark question. So first one is 12. 12 is an even number. So write here 12. Then next one 27. 27 is an odd number. Then 48, even number. Then 55, odd number. 55 is an odd number. The next one 64, even number. Then 79, odd number. Then 82, even number. Then 91, odd number. A number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is an odd number. A number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, they are even numbers. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. This is a 2 marks question. First one, 3456. How do you expand this? 3000 plus 4 is in hundreds place. So 400 plus 5 is in tens place. So 50. 6 is in ones place. So 6. So 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. That is 3456. Next one, 7082. Here 7 is in thousands place. So 7000 plus 8 is in tens place. So 80. 2 is in ones place. So 7000 plus 80 plus 2, that is 7082. Next one, solve. First one, 15 tens and 23 ones. Second one, 34 tens and 12 ones. So first one, 15 tens and 23 ones. 15 tens is equal to 15 into 10, that is 150. Then what is 23 ones? 23 ones is equal to 23. 23 into 1, that is 23. So total 150 plus 23, that is 173. This is the answer. Next one, 34 tens and 12 ones. 34 tens is equal to 34 into 10, that is 340. 12 ones is equal to 12. So total 340 plus 12, that is 352. A library has 4,850 books. It donated 1,675 books to different schools. How many books are left in the library? So books in the library 4,850. How many books are donated? 1,675 books donated. Then number of books left in the library. How do you find? 4,850 minus 1,675. So 4,850 minus 1,675. So here it is 4, then 10 here. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 7, is it possible? No. So borrow 1 from 8. So here it becomes 7. Here it becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So books left 3,175 books. Write the missing numbers. This is a 1 mark question. See here the first number is missing, then we have 2008, then 2009, then 3 numbers are missing. So first number is 2007. Then 2007, 2008, 2009, then 2010, 2011, 2012. This is the answer. 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. Compare the following pairs of numbers using less than, greater than or equal to. This is also a 1 mark question. See first one, 2190, 2910. So both numbers have 4 digits. First digit is 2. Then second digit, here it is 1, here it is 9. So which one is greater? 9. So 2190 is less than 2910. The next one, 7087, 7088. Both numbers contain 4 digits. First digit is 7. The second number also first digit is 7. Then second digit in the first number is 0. Second digit in the second number is also 0. Then third digit 8. The second number also it is 8. So the last digit in 7087 is 7. Then in 7088, last digit is 8. So 7 is less than 8. So 7087 is less than 7088. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 1 mark question. Ascending order means in the increasing order from the smallest to greatest. So here numbers are 3895, 3048, 4210, 3567, 3980. So here, which is the smallest number? 3048. Then, next smallest number is 3567. Next smallest number 3895. Next smallest 3980. The next one 4210. So this is the ascending order. 3048, 3567, 3895, 3980, 4210. The next one, arrange the following numbers in descending order. 1 mark question. Descending order means decreasing order from greatest to smallest. Here the numbers are 3276, 4985, 3650, 4021, 3899. So here, which is the largest number? 4985. Then 4021. Then next largest number 3899. Next largest number 3650. Next one 3276. So this is the descending order. 4985, 4021, 3899, 3650, 3276. Next one, draw a circle with diameter of 8 cm. This is a 2 marks question. So diameter is 8 cm. So what is radius? Diameter divided by 2. That is 8 divided by 2. That is 4. Diameter is twice the radius. So 2 into 4 is 8. So radius is 4 cm. So draw a circle using a compass. Open to 4 cm. So this is the center. This radius is 4 cm. Okay. Then draw a circle using a compass. You draw a circle. Okay. So thanks for watching. All the best for your exams. Study well. Stay confident and do your best. Wishing you great success. Thank you.